Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here is Mr. Saeed, science teacher. How are you, my dear students? How are you, everybody? Today, inshallah, we will start a new lesson 4 in Skills Handbook Part 1. Lesson 4 is about how do scientists communicate. Okay, if you don't mind, please, all of you, open your book at page 315. In this page, we will discuss together how can scientists communicate what they learn. But before we start in this page, I like to show you a video that explain nicely this page, and it will help you too much in your understanding.
Some scientists use a survey to find answers to their questions. A survey is a way to collect data by asking many people the same question. Conduct a survey to collect data about favorite colors. Tally marks are one way to record data. A bar graph is another way.
Okay, perfect. As you saw in this video, we have two ways to do recording for your data. But before I start in this part, I let you remember something about investigation. I told you we have different kinds of investigations because we have different kinds of questions, and we can do investigation, which is looking for answers by different ways, which are experiments, models, surveys. Here we are speaking or talking about survey. I said in the previous lesson, survey, it means group or list of questions or choices. You will prepare a survey that has a question, just one question, what is your favorite color? And you will ask this question to group of students or to group of people, and you will collect their answers in the form of points or in the form of marks. Okay, then you will draw these marks or these informations by using something that is called the tally chart. Tally chart, as we saw in the video, you will collect the answer from each one, okay, of the people that you ask them the question, what your favorite color, and everyone who will tell you something, everyone when he tell you his answer, for example, red, you will do 1 mark.
Scientists find out what they know in many different
ways. Okay, as here. Okay, you doing here found the colors that
conduct a survey to collect data about favorite colors.
And you started to collect the answers from the people, and the color is yellow, so you will write down here mark front of yellow, and so on for the other colors. Okay, that is tally chart.
Tally marks are one way to record data.
Okay, we have another way to collect data, and when you collect the data, you can draw it by using the bar graph, as you see in front of you in the video. Okay, transferred to this form of easy for the other people that understand what collected. Perfect. So here, conduct a survey. What is your favorite color? Okay. Then write your question in the record your data by using tally marks. Number 4, communicate or mark a bar graph. Okay, using class. Okay. When you share this data with your class, you will do your information or your data that you obtained after you finish. This means you did communicate with them. So how here we have the communicate what you learn. My paragraph helped me show the results of my did the survey without recording any data that you collected from the people. It's not, you didn't get any benefit from your survey. So you have to record everything that you collected from the people that you asking. Okay. After that, you have to explain your data and something by using bar graph. And anyone, if when he that the red color is what is the most color that the people for too many people. Okay. Here in the next page, 315, communication is one important part of the scientist of important part. Why? Because It's very helpful together. Okay. Communication, I will read second part of science investigations. Scientists communicate with each other to share what they learn. Okay, so why scientists communicate? To share what they learn together. Okay, they also question and check each other's work. Communication to check the other's work. I did a job and my partner did another job and another one did. We have to share together whatever we did. Okay, and we will learn for information in this way. Their explanation are more thorough and better informed. That you will communicate it with your partners will be more informed. One way scientists check each other, repeat an experiment. Okay, could be sometimes the scientists share together their work to repeat an experiment. A good experiment can follow records of their experiments. You cannot repeat the experiment if you didn't keep the records carefully. You have to keep the records carefully, and you have to know exactly the steps that you did during your experiment. When you did, you keep it carefully to let you to make it easy for you that if you want to repeat this experiment again, so you have to follow the previous steps, the same procedure if they know exactly how it was done. Procedure, we will speak about procedure in the next page, but as I said, you have to know exactly the steps that you follow in the first time when you did the experiment, and if you want to repeat this experiment again and again and again, you have to follow the same steps to get the same results. Okay, or if you want to share this experiment and these partners want to repeat this experiment, they have to follow your steps to get the same results. Okay, here you have at the bottom of this page are investigating something about algae, okay, and they diving under the water. And here we have a question. Question number 1 in this page, asking about what? There we see. Just a second, please. Question number 1, the scientists in the picture are investigating algae, a group of living things usually that the algae, one of the group of living things that usually found in water, okay, are living. I think they can keep a record after they finish their diving and they check the place. They could draw a map, okay? Drawing a map might be drawing a map of this map will help them after that to find the algae easily. Why? Because they keep the record of the place that they found the algae in. They will keep it for later on, and it's this map to looking for the algae. They will get out this map and they will know where is exactly the map will be. Okay, thank you so much. That is enough in this video, and we will complete the lesson in the other videos, inshallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.